Welcome to the third series of model data in Power BI within our learning series of Learn Reporting with Power BI. Today we'll be learning about designing a data model in Power BI. Okay, so let's get started. Let me take you to the practical environment. This is an example of data model. How you'll get to see, you'll have to click on the data model and you get to see all those tables that are imported within Power BI. And creating a great data model is one of the important tasks that a report developer will have to perform. Okay, in Power BI. The following image on the screen, okay, is an example of data model. The boxes contains tables of data where each line item within the box is a column. Okay, the lines that connect the boxes represent the relationship between the tables. Okay, and further we'll be learning about lots of concept within designing a data model series. We'll be learning about primary key, foreign key. We'll be also learning about facts and dimensions, the two aspects, okay, within the data model. We'll be learning about creating the relationship. All right, also we'll be understanding about the cardinality, the directionality, about the relationship from lookup table to the fact table. Okay, and we'll also see various types of cardinalities: one to many, many to one, and many to many, and one to one. So what is a good data model offers? All right, let us understand. A good data model offers the various benefits. Okay, if you have a good data model, the data exploration is very faster. Aggregations and calculations are simple to build when you have the correct relationship and the correct cardinality between the tables. All right, reports are more accurate. All important concepts of relationships is very important for you to understand in forthcoming video series. All right, you get to learn them. Okay, so once you have the relationships, correct relationships and cardinality in place, reports are more accurate. All right, and writing of reports take lesser time, and reports are easier to maintain in the future. So uh, excited about designing a data model? I am excited to teach you guys. Let's go ahead and continue our learning.